Hello everyone. In the last tutorial, we have seen how to use the join function. Okay, join function basically used to join more than one data frame. Okay, as you have, if you want to learn about how to use a join function, you can follow my playlist. Okay, now in this video, we will discuss about the append function in Pandas. So append function basically used to append row wise of two data frame. Okay, if we have one data frame and another data frame and we want to append for our second data frame, join after the first data frame, then we use a append. Okay, append function of Pandas. Okay, so basically append function in Pandas is used to append row of other data frame. Okay, of data frame and to given data frame. Okay, returning a new data frame object. Okay, as you can see here, you can write 2. Okay, data frame to end of the given data frame. We use the join function or merge function or concurrent function to combine two data frame. Okay, with the help of join, we can join two data frame, or we can join data frame with the if we have a dictionary of we have a list. Okay, and but in the append function we can join two data frame. Okay, we have two data frame and then we can join. Okay, how to join two data frame? First we need to create a two data frame and then try to join them. Okay, so to create a data frame, first we need to import the pandas library. Okay, so for import pandas library, we need to write here import pandas as pd. Okay, then first we need to run this program. Now create a data frame. Okay, so to create a data frame, first we need to write here simply pd dot data frame, and we can create a data frame with there are so many methods, but we use here the dictionary method to create a data frame. Okay, one thing is noted here, that append function used to append two data frame, not two different data structure. Like we have a series and we have a data frame. Then if we want to join or combine two data frame or two data structure, one is data frame and second one is series. Okay, for this we need to join function or other type of joining function, just as you can see the join and concurrent function. But in append function in pandas, we use we can join or we can append only two data frame. Okay, not other data structure. Okay, first we need to write first we need to create data frame, so we write pd dot data frame, and we can create data frame with the help of dictionary, so we use curly braces. And because when we create data frame with the help of dictionary, we need to keys and values. So suppose we write a key name as suppose sr, serial number, and the values of the suppose we write here serial number 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, and now suppose another key name is name. Okay, and the values of the name are suppose a b c d, a comma b comma c and comma d. Okay, this is our first data frame. Okay, now we assign this data frame to a variable name, suppose df1. Now we create another data frame. So first you need to copy this path and paste here. Name is second data frame name is df2, and we need to change the key value, suppose 100 and 200 and 300, and this is the 400. Okay, and the name is suppose ABCDE, and this is F, G and H. Sorry, and capital H. Okay, now to print to data frame, simply we have a function display function, so we write here display and pass the two values in the display function. And in data frame, in display function, we provide our two data frame name is df1 and comma df2. Okay, and then simply run the program with the help of shift plus enter. Okay, you can see our two data frame is created, serial number and name ABCD, serial number and name 100 to 400, and EFGH. Okay, one thing is you can see here, if we need to combine or append two data frame, you can see the both the indexes are same. Okay, so first we need to suppose first we need to combine or append these data frame. To append these two data frame, we write simply here data frame name df1 dot append function. Okay, and pass the second data frame name is df2, and then simply run the program. Okay, you can see our two data frame is appended, and the first data frame is AB, named is ABCD, and second one is EFGS. Second data frame append in the below side or end side of the first data frame. Okay, if you want to change this order of the order of the data frame, simply you write here df2 here and df1 here. Okay, simply you can change here df2 and write here df1, then you can then run the program. You can see both data frame are appended, but in this case the data frame first is append in the below side of the second data frame df2. Okay, now one thing is noted here that you can see the index is 0 1 2 3 and 0 1 2 3. This is the problem, because if we need to if we need to arrange the index number as the is a good manner or the sequential manner, 0 to 0 to last, but here you can see here the index is repeated. For to overcome this problem, we use the ignore index, the parameter in our append function. You can see here with the help of shift and tab, you can see the ignore index is by default it take the false value, but if we need to if we need to arrange all index in the sequential manner, we pass here the true value. So we copy this and we pass with the separated by comma here. Okay, and provide is the true value. Now shift plus enter. Okay, you can see here our index is the 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 up to 7, 0 to 7, because with the help of the ignore index parameter we can arrange or we can sequentially arrange in our the indexes. Okay, so with the help of append function we can append to data frame. Okay, as you can see here, but if you can see here both data frame are appended with row wise. It means the first data frame and then row wise second data frame is appended, because here there is no column different column. But if you have a if you want to append with column wise, first you need to change. Suppose we change here the column name, second is suppose serial number, as we can change here, suppose it is ID. Okay, the column name, second column name is ID, and then run the program. what will happen? Okay, you can see the second data frame is in second data frame you can see the key values id. Okay, now first we here we write data frame 1 and here we write data frame 2 and then simply run the program. You can see our two data frame is appended, but you can see the id is nan value because it take an nan value because only the df1 first data frame is appended, and in the second data frame id is take the nan value because you can see here only the first data frame is generated, and because second data frame id is different in the first, so this is not match. Okay, that's why it is take the missing value or nan value. Okay. Okay, so with the help of this you can see the append function, we can append the two data frame. Okay, I think it is clear all of you. If you have any type of query, please write in comment section, and if you like this, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel, and please share among the friends. Okay. Okay, thank you.